Okay, guys. Well, we are in Sharafia and I'm going to gym after work. It's 3:44 p.m. and it seems to me like there's gonna be a slight bit of traffic. Usually there is not on the roads at this time because in normal days you wouldn't face that much traffic in these times. But anyways, today is Yom Al Khamis, the Thursday, so I'm expecting there to be some bit of traffic because people usually they tend to leave from work a tad bit earlier than they usually would. So well, anyways, we are off to the gym. The gym is Fitness Time and it's on this Prince Turki Road almost. And well, this is a very, I would say, sharp or congested crossroad. And if you are coming onto this crossroad, you have to be like very careful because from two sides there's a blind spot, and also there's no divider in between the roads like you see. So maybe some people might try to overtake you, or they might be overtaking from the other side. So this road is in Sharafia, by the way, and I have this new, actually it's a mobile phone holder, and the last one that I was using, it was from Temu, and it did some good work, I would say. It worked for like a month and a half, but then it actually got out of order. It wasn't usable, so then I had to get something new. The one on Temu, it cost me like 20-30 reals maybe, and this one it cost me 249 real. And the thing is, it's relatively more stable, and I think it's much better, even better for the mobile as well, because it also has a MagSafe mechanism and all this one. So yeah, that's some good stuff. And now we are gonna, and maybe you notice that there isn't much of a vibration or shakiness in the video. Even if there is, it's like adjusting to it, because it has a proper like an arc. It's quite hot outside, and now the traffic started moving, and the camera actually got overheated a little while ago. Like I told you, today I expected there to be a little bit of more traffic. Now I'd be putting the car in normal drive mode. Before it was on Eco. Eco is quite smooth. And by the way, I'm driving a Shangyang Edo 2025. It's a very wonderful car. And let me also lower the fan of the car. It might be actually interfering with my sound. So you see, these are the scenes. I'm actually quite happy with this new camera setup, and I think I could give you better POV drive tours around Riyadh and other places that I visit, inshallah, and it's gonna be really interesting, guys. By the way, I also have a couple other channels, Raw Logs by Talha and Talha's POV. So there I, based on the channel type, and Raw Logs, I'm documenting my life, and in Talha's POV it's like the most important experiences in videos. So you can check those out as well if it intrigues you. satisfied with this camera setup. And now we are gonna overtake the ones that are driving slow. Well, I'm gonna put in some workout at the gym, and after that I might have something to eat. It will be an early dinner, I would say. We have to maintain some braking distance, so it should be at least enough to give us 3-second reaction time. So let's say if you go quite close to the next one and you feel like you need to have braking distance, just take your foot off of the gas and let it be like that for 3-4 seconds, and the other car, you see like it's gone now far. So this will tell you, or you will be able to gauge with this, the amount of distance and the reaction time. So with the next one, I think I have a fairly decent distance and maybe some 3 seconds of reaction time. But definitely the more it is, the better it is. Now well, like I anticipated, there's much traffic, but still alhamdulillah we are cruising at the road speed limit. You see on the right, you would see the tall buildings of King Abdullah Financial District. By the way, if I didn't tell you, we are on Prince Turki Road. On our left is King Saud University. And having a car here in Riyadh is a lot of convenience. I remember the times vividly when I didn't used to have a car here. I was commuting on buses, taxis. The taxis will cost you a lot. There are some new apps like the ones that are competing, Uber, Careem, and the big names like this. So though I would say like Genie is one of them. So these ones they tend to give you a better rate than Uber and Careem. But anyways, the thing is that still they cost you a lot, and if you use a public bus, it's gonna cost you time. It's gonna be harsh on you, because although there are places where you can sit while you are at the station, all these bus stations are really well made, but the thing is that if you have to go to a bus station, you have to wait for long, and then you also have to face the heat of the city, so it could become quite inconvenient at times. So let's gauge the amount of traffic coming from behind, because we might need to make a turn, and I think we will be able to do that just in time. Yes, and now we are gonna be right in front of our Fitness Time gym. And by the way, you see there's King Saud University on the left. And now we need a parking spot. Might have to go into the street next alley. I really hope I find something here. Okay. What do we have over here? Nothing. Let's go make another turn. Oh, by the way, there is the opposite side of the road. We can even park there. But anyways, since we are driving, see what a wonderful view we came to. I'll try to zoom in. See the King Abdullah Financial District. Guys, check this out. While driving, coming down one street that leads on to the Prince Turki Road. Check this out. The wonderful, charming view of the King Abdullah Financial District. Isn't it so beautiful? Okay, so we are back on the road, the main road.
How can I help you?
This is my car's AI doing its thing. Talking of AI, how interested or intrigued are you when it comes to AI? I think we had a parking spot, but it's in the heat. Well, if I have to go with the parking spot in heat, I might come back on the other side, park in front of the gym. That will be also good. I think this guy just came, so he's not leaving, he is actually coming. So let's find a spot ahead, or maybe after a U-turn. Nothing over here as well. Again, we have come to a very fascinating view of King Abdullah Financial District on this road that leads to the Prince Turkey Road. And you will not be able to truly appreciate it unless you zoom in. I will be parking my car over here, but check that out.